I got peace, peace,
Hi
peace
kids,
in my
hello.
fingers. Watch
Today's
what I
beautiful.
can do.
Wow, sunny. It's not very cold, but I'm wearing a scarf anyway because, you know, it's winter. And my hat. Oops. So I am wearing a scarf. I am wearing a hat. And I am wearing a heavy sweater because it's winter. I need warm clothes. What about you? What are you wearing today? Let me know. Bye kids. See you soon.
Words in my head. I'm gonna talk things over with you.